Here's another lock picking video. Got this lock from Joshua from the USA in a trade from UK Lock Sport, 5-pinner. Security pins, no tension on the core or on the shackle. Beautiful lock, used by the military. I'll show you the bitting for it. There we go, 5-pinner. Going to be using the Peterson gem. Very light tension. The back of the lock, just stringing it out to come to a stop. That's pin 4. That's fine. Pin 2. Pin 3. Four, two, one. Looks like I've overset something, so I'm going to reset it. 5, 2, 10 in the core, 1, more 10. So I'm just going to try and find a counter rotation on the spools. But twisting this pick, and I've got pin 1 counter rotation. That's set. Just checking I haven't lost any serrated pins. Pin 2 now, counter rotation. There we go. Pin 2 must have been very high, and if you look at the key, yeah, it's quite high. Cheers guys.